guys, it's Maxine here. I've got some time today, so I thought, let's go fidget hunting, shall we? Let's see what we can find. So our first stop is going to be Cracker Barrel, and I haven't been here in a long time, so let's see. Okay, so I just made it back from Cracker Barrel, and they had quite a bit of stuff. I tried to show a little bit. There were a bunch of workers like actively working, so I didn't want to be in their space. They did have Nido gumdrops, but I did not purchase any because I don't need any more. I even saw a Tangle in there. So definitely don't sleep on Cracker Barrel. So I did get some stuff, but let's go to a couple more places and see what we can find. All right, let's go to Five Below and see if we can find anything new.
They have the tiniest Taba squishies. This fidget jewelry looks really cool. It does look really neat. These actually look really cool. This tsunamis. These look so cute. Domo, I haven't seen Domo stuff in a long time.
All right, let's go check out Hobby Lobby together and see what we can find.
Taba squishies. Some squishies. Stretch Armstrong. Some furry Tangle friends. So cute.
And just like that, we did it. We did our fidget hunt. Stick around so you can see a haul of what we got. I only picked up a couple things. Thanks so much for coming along with me on this fidget hunt, squishy hunt. I had a lot of fun just getting out of the house and looking around. So anyways, I hope you have the best day ever. Bye!